Hey guys, right here I have my old iPhone 10 right here. It's the 256 gigs. So what am I going to do is I'm going to replace the screen. I got a new screen right here. Let me stick it out. Oh, they gave me this. And it's a new screen. I got a refurbished screen because it's the one of the best screen I can get in the market. This iPhone 10, yeah, the screen is dead and I'm going to replace it. Plus, I accidentally I've got like this cable right here. I don't care because Face ID is broken anyway. So let's take apart. I have my tools right here. So this is the cantaloupe. So there's two screws on the bottom. Also, this is not a tutorial. This is a video of I'm trying to fix this thing. That's pretty much it. I got this, the Qianli iCopy Plus, which I got it like back in January. So backstory about this iPhone, which is I fixed this iPhone in November and the screen broke in January. Also a refurbished screen. And I bought another screen again in I think sometime around March. And it broke in May. Also, this is the original screen, by the way. And it used to be something like this, and now it's pretty much dead. And I used my Galaxy S10 until the iPhone 13 came out, and right now I'm using the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which you guys should check out the unboxing top right here. I never touched this thing since October. Since the screen got cheaper, I bought it, so might as well, why not? So no idea why this cable is torn, but I don't care anyway since I have like a few of these and I'm gonna use like the other screen to reprogram, so I'm just gonna leave that alone. I also bought this replacement ribbon cable, so that's a good thing. And I'm gonna need this, I think it's called tri-wing. This looks like a Y shape and there's 5 right here. Anyway, so this iPhone Face ID is broken, so I don't feel bad that much. You know something? I'm gonna need to organize my screw. This goes here, here, and here. So this plate. I don't care if I rip this because it's already torn. Sorry if you're mad about this, but it's already torn, so I don't care about it. Plus it's mine, but I care about the replacement one that I got. Wow, this one is so hard. There we go. I just realized the battery is unplugged. Here's the new screen, which is once again, it's refurbished. I think I might just transfer all the stuff from this into this. This also uses tri-wing for of these. There's 3 right here. So one on the top, one on this. I'm actually thinking about changing my toolkit. Probably iFix it this time, or maybe the cheap one because I'm in like tight budget right now. And I'm gonna remove this. I don't care if this breaks, like this one. So let's see. Let's check out the placement. And let's see. Are they looks the same? Yeah, indeed they looks the same. I think it goes like this. Why this thing doesn't want to go in? That's strange. I guess we're done. Now we need to put this onto the new screen. So weird thing about this particular screen from this seller, which is if I peel this sticker, basically the warranty is void, which makes no sense at all. I don't get it. Let's plug it in. Let's see. Will it turn on? After for the past few months. Wait, what? Why is it not turning on? Did I kill this thing? Plug it in. I think the battery is just dead. Good thing it's turning on though. Oh yeah, this thing is still on iOS 14. I didn't update it when iOS 15 came out. Alright, there we go. Oh my god, it feels weird using 60 Hz coming from 80 Hz. Gonna turn on assistive touch. There we go. Let's try this sensor thing. I forgot this thing called. I don't remember stuff from this phone. What the heck is voice memo? This is a random test. This is. So it's been a couple of days and I put the screen like this. I just want to make sure the screen works, and it works great. I'm gonna put it back. So here's a seal and let's change the view. So I got all my stuff, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the inside to remove all the dust and all the fingerprints. So I got my Q-tip and my IPA. Alright, I'm going to put the seal, so it seems to be goes this side. I bought a seal like more than a year ago. I'm gonna clean the screen first. Oh, there we go. Now, I'm gonna peel this off. This thing. I don't have a screen protector, but I'm gonna peel it anyway. I don't care. Oh, I forgot to reprogram the screen. One last cleanup, because why not? Alright, make sure the touch works. Alright, it works. That's good. Now the pentaloop screws. And not only that, like after I fix this thing, I gotta do more stuff, which is like restoring this thing to iOS 15, which this thing runs 14.8. And I don't want to keep this thing on 14.8 because like there's few bugs and I see like 15.3 is better. So we done for this part and it works. That's good. So yeah, just gonna start the restore. So I have my iPhone 10 right here. As you can see, I signed out my Apple ID right here on my MacBook. So sorry for the background noise, it's raining heavily right now. I'm going to plug this in. Here's all the stuff, and you know what? I think I'm gonna go like recovery mode. I never done this on like non-home button iPhone before. I only done this on like iPhone 5 and the 4 and the original iPhone, but never on this before. So I think that's what it does. So we're just gonna hold, and you know what? Oh, it's turn it off. So you know what? I'm gonna do like a quick time screen record. There we go. You can see it's on recovery mode, and I'm gonna do like the screen recording. Obviously, record like entire screen, and boom. So here it is. There's a problem with connect to iPhone. I'm going to restore. And I've signed up my iCloud, my Apple ID, so there's no activation stuff. Restore and update. 15.3 blah blah blah. Agree. Restore and cancel. 3 hours remaining. I guess I can do my other stuff while I'm gonna wait like 4 hours. So I might as well just do like a time lapse of this. And wow, 86 minutes remaining. That's good. So I'm gonna do a time lapse. You guys wanna know something? The screen recording, it takes a lot of storage. 2 minutes and it's at nearly 700 megabyte. Wow, I wonder how much it took. And it's 81 minutes left. Huh. I don't know why I just went to this. Did it? Oh. That makes sense. Your Mac is currently downloading software for the iPhone. Wait, how am I going to see a progress bar? Wait, what? I can't even check. How am I going to know, like, is this even done downloading? What? I wonder if I unplug it. Huh. Let's just plug it in. Let's see the I guess maybe not. Maybe I should download IPSW instead.
The next day.
So what I did is I go to ipsw.me, download the IPSW file, and yeah, there we go. Here's the IPSW file. So what am I going to do is I'm going to boot back to recovery mode. So just gonna hold. There we go, just plug in. It asked me to restore, so we're gonna hit cancel first. Click option restore, and we're just gonna choose this. Open. Restore. I think it's working. It seems to be working, which is good. So you can see right here the progress bar. You know what? We're gonna use like my Galaxy S10 to the time lapse. Do they have time lapse? Is that hyperlapse? Wait, what's this? Oh, super steady. We're just gonna change it anyway. So I'm gonna just put this S10 Plus into this tripod. It's doing its thing, and we still gotta wait for it to restore. And it looks like that progress bar is about to done. And this, yeah, it's still halfway, and we're like this long remaining. And yes, I'm using the 3x because I don't know, why not. Alright, looks like it's done, and the new hello screen. So we're just gonna swipe up English. We're gonna scroll down to United States. Quick start. Now I'm just gonna skip Evan's Galaxy S10. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Unable to activate. Oh, come on, just activate. Hey, it works. So continue. Face ID, let's try. Oh, it didn't work. Never mind. I'm just gonna skip. Don't use passcode. Don't transfer app data. I don't have Apple ID. Wait. Oh wait, it's loading. Never mind. Wow, why this thing is so slow? I can't go back. Oh, finally. So agree. Yes. Just gonna skip. Continue. Enable Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to.
Skip. Continue. Not now. Setup. No. Oh wow, it looks different than I thought it would be. So let's see. So it's running. So it's running 50.3 now. So that's good. Here's the fixing this iPhone and restoring this to like factory default. I don't know. Is it called that? Like default? I don't know. Oh, it's called restore. So thanks for watching. You can follow all my socials, the Evan Yeoh, on Twitter and Instagram. Stay tuned for other videos. And yeah, bye. So I just done editing this video, and you know that I'm saying this. Wow, I wonder how much it took. Well, those screen recording uses this much of storage, but not only that, this Final Cut Pro library. Do you guys want to know how much it took? 1.2 terabyte. Wow, this video uses a lot of storage.